Hi, I'm Louise from the Cotswold Sewing School and I'm here with Just Fabrics today to show you how to create a triple pleat curtain heading. And today the fabric we've used is summer tapestry. Creating your triple pleat is very similar to creating your double pleat. As with all hand finished headings, each pleat starts as your single pleat. And you're going to first of all press your pleat down and you're trying to find the center point of your pleat. Make sure it's even on either sides. Once you've smoothed down, at that central point, you're going to slowly start to pinch up the buckram in line with your central point. And you're going to bring that up to create your middle ridge of your pleat. And once you've done that, you're going to slowly bring either side of your pleat up to meet the middle pleat. Give it a little squeeze and then you'll have a perfect triple pleat ready to sew. So we're going to stab stitch through all 3 layers of our pleat and it's double thread. Our needle position is quite high up into the pleat to ensure we don't get spring back. We want that lovely definition. And our needle is just going to glide against the edge of the buckram because we don't want to be fighting through the buckram. So my needle has gone through all 3 layers. And I'm going to leave a good tail on the other side because that will make it easier to secure off. And then you're going to bring your needle straight back through. And then just repeat that a couple of times. Once those stitches are in, you'll see that the pleat holds its shape. So you are ready to secure it off. You're just going to tie a couple of knots. And then just pop your needle under your threads. To be able to cut off. And you can see, even with just that bottom stab stitch in, you have got a beautiful defined triple pleat. Now we are going to secure the top of the pleat to make sure that that shape stays. Now we're ready to sew the pleat from the top end. And the point of this is to grab hold of all of the layers and pull it in so you have that really defined, almost crescent look. So you're going to start at the back of your curtain itself and then you're literally just going to get all of the layers, and can you see that I'm coming into the middle of the first half. So the needle has gone through all 3 layers there. I'm going to pull it through. And then once you've gone through, we're going to come back through the same 3 layers to where you started. You can go straight across to the other side, or I find it easier if you do 2 on the same side, first of all. Tie a knot in it, just to keep it secure. And now, I personally go across the side. So I'm also pulling that edge of my pleat in. And now we're just repeating on this side. And now we're back through to the back of the curtain. We can just sew through the back 2 edges just to bring them tightly together. And now we're ready to secure off with a couple of knots. Okay. And then before cutting the threads off, just pop the needle under your knots, pull through, and now it's secure and ready to cut your threads off. And that's how to complete a triple pleat. I really hope you enjoyed the video today, and if you did, please click on the like and subscribe below. If you're interested in any soft furnishing courses, then please check out the Cotswold Sewing School's website. And for more fabric inspiration, please head over to Just Fabric's website.